Yes, the safe box. The safe box. What is a combination? It's a combination of a number. Next to the broken Xbox 360 paddle. What's over there? Is it a troll? The world may never know. And this bottle of water, is it kiwi or strawberry? The world may never know. And how about my phone? Is it a phone or a big phone? How about this phone? Is it portable? The world may never know. Oh yeah, and then there's the sock. It's got a hole for your feet. And it's comfy. I do not know the interests of the sock. But there is an egg curtain. The egg curtain is so evil. It contains plastic. Dun -dun -dun -dun.